Joining us now is Manish Sanghi. He's Managing Director at Everest Industries on the sidelines of the conference. Also, Yash Upadhyay from our research team joins in to take the conversation forward. Yash.
But first of all, sir, let me ask you, 50% or almost a bulk of your revenues, they come from the roofing segment. What sort of opportunities do you see there?
Roofing is good business. So we think it's a good business to be in. India needs more roofs. There are a lot of people without roofs, and we think that this particular segment is going to grow further in the future. The kind of roofs that people may want is likely to change with better lifestyles, and the challenge is going to be how do we cope up with the requirements of the people as they evolve into better and better solutions. So, but we think roofing is good business, and we believe the business will grow.
Okay, sir. And with respect to expansion, what sort of plans do you have for the roofing segment?
So, Everest really operates in many different segments of the roofing business. So, number one segment, as you rightly pointed out, is the rural segment, where so far we had one particular offering, which was the plain vanilla grey corrugated cement sheet. We have recently introduced another very, very interesting variant called the Everest Super, which takes care of the many shortcomings which were there with the traditional product. The shortcomings primarily being that it used to become black with time, and it was available in any color as long as it was grey. So we have launched this product which would not become black with time and comes in a variety of attractive colors, and we believe that this can expand the market and will become the real product which all people would want on their houses. The second bit is that we are entering into the metal roofing business. So far we were doing projects only for the industrial roofs. We are now entering the retail sector with a product called DuraSteel, and we have set up manufacturing for that in our plants at Ranchi, in the plants at Nasik, in Bharuch, and in Roorkee. And we expect that business to give us interesting growth options as we move forward.
So while your roofing business has been doing quite well, the steel building segment has been depressed for the past few quarters, mainly on account of the high steel prices. By when do we expect to turn EBIT positive in the segment?
We think that we should be turning EBIT positive from the next quarter onwards. The pain will be there till the time the old order book stands. We started with a low order book, so the pain is going to be much lesser for us than for people who had a fat order book. It's a very volume dependent business, and we are seeing signs of a revival as far as the capital investment goes, particularly in the private sector. A lot more people are talking about putting up new facilities, new capacities, and provided the steel prices remain stable, we should be doing good on it in the coming fiscal.
Also, sir, the brokerages seem to be quite bullish on your boards and panels segment, and while it only contributes about 15% of your total revenues, what could that number be like probably 2 to 3 years down the line?
We think we should be good in this particular segment from toward the end of the first quarter. But really the result should come in the second quarter.
Okay, sir. And finally, would like to know what are your capacity expansion plans going forward?
The capex which has been finalized and announced is we took up a modernization of our factory in Calcutta. It's a very old factory, so the roofing line there has been modernized. We would be doing a similar kind of a modernization project on some of our board lines in Nasik. As far as the greenfield expansion is concerned, we do not have any specific plans right now, and as and when something comes up, we will announce it.